Hello students. Next point is diagrams of relation. Draw a small circle for each element of A and label the circle with corresponding elements of A. These circles are called vertices. Draw an arrow called an edge. From vertex Vi to vertex Vj, if and only if Vi relate to Vj. The resulting pictorial representation of R is called a directed graph or digraph of R. For example, if R equal to set of 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 3 4 4 1 is a relation defined on set A equal to 1 2 3 4, then the digraph of R is, first draw the circle named as 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 relate to 1 means 1 goes to 1. Next 1 goes to 2, 1 goes to 2. Next 2 goes to 1, 2 goes to 1. Next 2 goes to 2, 2 goes to 2. Next 2 goes to 3, 2 goes to 3. Next 2 goes to 4, 2 goes to 4. Next 3 goes to 4, 3 goes to 4. Next 4 goes to 1, 4 goes to 1. This is nothing but the digraph of R. Next example, find the relation determined by digraph is given below. Here 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3, 1 goes to 3, 4 goes to 3. Means relation R is 1 goes to 1, 1 goes to 3, next 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2, next 3, 3 goes to 3, next 4 goes to 3. Next, matrix representation. Definition: if A equal to set of A1, A2 and so on Am and B equal to B1, B2 and so on Bn are finite sets containing m and n elements respectively, and R is a relation from A to B, we represent R by m by n matrix Mi equal to Mij, which is defined by Mij equal to 1 if Ai Aj belongs to R and it is 0 if Ai Aj does not belongs to R. The matrix Mr is called the matrix of R. Here, if R equal to 1a, 2b, 3a is the relation defined on set A equal to 1 to 3 to B equal to AP, then matrix of R is Mr. Suppose here 1, 2, 3 and AB are the columns. Here 1a belongs to R. Therefore, this entry must be 1. Similarly, 2b belongs to R, 2b belongs to R. So, this entry must be 1. Next, 3a belongs to R. So, 3a, this entry must be 1 and other entries are 0. Because 2a, 1b, 3b does not belongs to R. So, these entries are nothing but the zeros. Next, consider the relation R defined on set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 as R equal to 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 4. Then matrix of R is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, belongs to R. So this entry must be 1. Next 1 3 belongs to R. This entry 1. 1 4 belongs to R. Entry is 1. 2 1 belongs to R. So this entry is 1. Similarly 2 3 3 3 4 2 4 4 belongs to R. So that entry must be 1 and other entries are 0. Next, draw the diagram of the relation defined on the sets whose matrix is given by MR equal to 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. Since MR is 3 by 4 matrix, so we let A equal to A1, A2, A3, because in definition we have seen that A equal to set containing m elements and B equal to set containing n elements. So MR is the m by n matrix. So here MR is 3 by 4 matrix, so A containing 3 elements and B containing 4 elements, A1, A2, A3, and B equal to B1, B2, B3, B4, and relation R equal to, here suppose A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, B4. A1, B1 entry is 1, so A1, B1 belongs to R. A1, B1. Next A1, B4. Next A2, B2. Next is A2, B3. Next is A3, B1. Next A3, B3. Just a minute. Next diagram is, first draw the circles of the elements A and B. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, B4. Total elements are 7. A1, B1, A1 goes to B1. Next A1 goes to B4. Next is A2 goes to B2. Next A2 goes to B3. Next A3 goes to B1. Next A3 goes to B3. This is nothing but the diagram of MR. Next example, next point, not example. Composition of relation definition. Suppose that A, B and C are sets. R is a relation from A to B and S is a relation from P to C. We can then define a new relation, the composition of R, and R written as composite R. The relation S composite R is a relation from A to C and is defined as follows. If A is in A and C is in C, then A S composite R C if and only if for some B in B. We have A relate to B and B as C. For example, if relations are equal to 1 2 1 1 1 3 2 4 3 2 and S equal to 1 4 1 3 2 3 3 1 4 1, defined on set A equal to 1 2 3 4, then find S composite R. To find S composite R, first write R equal to 1 2 1 1 1 3 2 4 3 2, and S equal to 1 4 1 3 2 3 3 1 4 1. S composite R equal to, here 1 2 take 1 2 in R. Here second element is 2. Check in S, first element 2 here. So make pair 1 2 2 3, and by transitivity 1 2 2 3 is 1 3. So 1 3 belongs to S composite R. Similarly take 1 1. Here second element is 1. Here first element 1, first element 1. So 1 1 1 4 is 1 4. 1 1 1 3 is 1 3. 1 3 already belongs to this set. So we neglect here. Next here 1 3. Second element is 3. Here first element is 3. 1 3 3 1 is 1 1. Now next element is 2 4. Second element is 4. Here first element is 4 here. So 2 4 4 1 is 2 1. Write 2 1. Next 3 2. Second element is 2. Here first element is 2. 3 2 2 3 3 3. So S composite are equal to 1 3 1 4 1 1 2 1 3 3. Next, transitive closure. Transitive closure. Let R be a relation on set A. The transitive closure of R is the smallest relation on A which contains relation R and which is transitive. The transitive closure of R is denoted by R star. Next, Warshall's algorithm. Let R be a relation on a set A equal to set of A1, A2 and so on An, n number of elements. In step first, set W0 equal to MR, the matrix of relation R. MR nothing but the matrix of relation R. Step 2, take K equal to 1. In step 3, transfer to WK all ones in WK minus 1. Step 4, list the locations P1, P2 and so on in column K of WK minus 1, where the entry is 1, and locations Q1, Q2 and so on in row K of WK minus 1, where the entry is 1. Step 5, put 1s in all the position Pi, Qi of WK. Step 6, K equal to K plus 1. Step 7, repeat steps 3, 4 and 5 until K equal to n. Next example. Using Warshall's algorithm, obtain transitive closure of relation R equal to 1 2 2 2 2 4 3 2 3 4 4 1 on the set A equal to 1 2 3 4. First, matrix of relation R is, this is nothing but the 4 by 4 matrix because matrix is A to A. Write 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 for your understanding. Here 1 2 belongs to R, so this entry is 1. 2 2 belongs to R, this entry is 1. Similarly 2 4 3 2 3 4 4 1. 2 4 3 2 3 4 4 1, and other entries are 0. These entries are nothing but the 0. So MR equal to 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. Consider, and MR is nothing but your W0. Consider first column means K equal to 1. First column and first row of W0. Positions of 1 in first column. Position of 1s in first column is nothing but the 4. Fourth position of column contains 1. So position of 1 in first column is 4, and position of 1 in first row is 2. Therefore, we add 1 in position. Therefore, we add 1 in position 4 2. Make pair 4 2 of W0. So W1 becomes here 4 2 is 4 2. This entry must be 1. So other entries of W1 is similar to W0. 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. Now take k equal to 2 means consider second column and second row of W1. Consider second column and second row of W1. Position of ones in second column. Position of 1 in second column are nothing but the 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and position of 1 in second row, position of 1 in second row are nothing but the second and fourth. You are understanding? Take 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So position of ones in second row is nothing but the 2 and 4. 2 4. Therefore we add 1 in position. Therefore we add 1 in position 1 2 1 4 2 2 2 4 3 2 3 4 4 2 4 4 1 2 1 4 2 2 2 4 3 2 3 4 4 2 4 4. So W2 equal to, first add 1 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Here we take 1 2 3 4 because set containing of A are 1 2 3 4. 1 2 1 1 4 1 2 2 1 2 4 1 3 2 1 3 4 1 4 2 1 4 4 1 and other entries of W2 are similar to entries of W1. 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. Now take k equal to 3 means consider third row and third column of W2. Consider third column and third row of W2. In third column there is no 1, hence there will be no addition of any one, hence there will be no addition of any one, because in third column there is no 1, so there will be no addition of any one. So W3 equal to W2, because here we does not add any 1 or we can't add any 1. So 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Now take k equal to 4. K equal to 4. K equal to 4 means consider fourth row and fourth column of W3. Consider fourth column and fourth row of W3, positions of 1 in fourth column are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and position of ones in fourth row are 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. So we add one in positions 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 4. So W4 equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 4. And other entries are similar to W3. And here K is nothing but T up to N. Here N equal to 4. So here we stop. Therefore, transitive closure of R is R star equal to position of ones are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 4. This is nothing but the transitive closure of R. Here we stop.